Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best metal shed that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 14 feet steel storage shed by Aeroshed. The company offers 2 different sizes with Aeroshed metal shed. Regardless, the product's outlook design comes with an old style of barn outlook that is exceptional among many other metal sheds in the industry. Additionally, it has a sharp roof that avoids water from pooling over. The product is constructed with steel, so it is a promising metal shed with its construction material. What's more, it features a wide door that is easy for opening and getting in large or bulky items. Aeroshed is a tall metal shed. When it requires an assembly, the assembling process is quite simple and convenient. Because steel is durable, it is highly reliable for the product's solid performance. Lastly, the company offers 12 years warranties with limits for it too. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Eggshell with Taupe trim Pent roof steel garden shed by Aero. Aero comes with a lockable door that is smart for the safety of those items in the metal shed storage room. What's more, the metal shed is very spacious, which you can store many items inside. You can freestand without your heads hitting the wall, no matter what. Aero is an ideal product that has outstanding exterior and outlook design. It is very good if you use the metal shed to store items such as lawn accessories and garden accessories. The whole product is constructed with galvanized steel. Besides, it is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. At number 3, we have the outdoor rust-resistant metal garden vented storage shed by Outsunny. This one is one among many brilliant products because Outsunny is spacious and roomy that enables a large room for storage of your items. Furthermore, there is a frame accompanying the package that assures the flooring of its. What's more, there are 2 vents for air circulation and light with the metal shed. It is enabled with a sloped roof, so moisture and water cannot get in. Outsunny is manufactured with galvanized steel. Besides, the product is rust-proof. It is good for a supply or storage room for storing equipment such as pool supplies and lawn cares. At number 2, we have the outdoor metal garden storage shed by Doit. Doit is a highly sought-after metal shed on the market. The product is tough, which assures that it is long-lasting for years of use. Furthermore, Doit features a sloped roof that avoids moisture from happening inside when it can resist bad weather. When it is a spacious metal shed room right there, it is constructed with galvanized steel as well as polypropylene for solid performance and trustworthy construction. No matter what, it does require installment. All you need to do is a power drill for the installation of the metal shed. Besides, it is very recommended for storing items for your children such as their playground accessories and more. Consequently, it fits more to a storage room rather than a conventional craftwork room. And finally, at number 1, we have the outdoor metal garden shed utility tool storage by Outsunny. Outsunny is excellent as it offers great air ventilation. They feature 4 vents when there are sliding doors for airflow and light. It shouldn't have an odor with it. Meanwhile, you don't have moisture accumulation in the metal shed room at all. Consequently, it serves well as a storage room that avoids your materials from damages by wind or weather. Besides, it has a sloped roof which avoids the metal shed itself from rust. Outsunny consequently is rust-proofed. Furthermore, it is manufactured from galvanized steel when it is a sturdy product out there. The construction assures long-lasting uses of it. You can place equipment such as pool supplies, lawn care accessories, and garden tools in the storage or metal shed room. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.